getting your equation 2, after getting the variable, okay. So for substitution method, so what we are doing basically is, from this equation, let me write it out. Negative 2x positive 2y is equal to 6. 4x plus 2y equals negative 5. So solution. So this is equation, call it equation star maybe. Equation star star. So we want to make one variable the subject in one equation, then we substitute it in the other equation. Just choose a variable that I want us to make the subject in your equation. Choose any variable that I want us to make the subject in any of the equation. Choose. Equation 1. You want us to make a variable a subject in equation 1. Good. So which variable is it, x or y in equation 1? Which one?
Y.
You want us to make y the subject in equation 1. Like, so here we have what? 2y equal to 6 positive 2x. Hence, this divided by 2, this divided by 2. This cancels this. Hence, you have y equals 6 plus 2x over 2. Is that clear? So basically, you can call this equation star, star, star. So we substitute the value of x, we substitute y, substitute the value of y in equation 3. No, in equation 2. Because we make x is y the subject in equation 1. So we'll be substituting this, substituting y in equation 2, which is equation star, star. Right? So from this, we have 4x plus 2, our y is what? 6 plus 2x all over 2. Equals negative 5. Is that clear?
Yes.
Good. No, we now simplify further. How do we simplify further?
The 2's cancel out the first one.
Good. Now, if you want to eliminate this fraction, remember when we did change of subject, we did equation involving fraction. So naturally, if you want to eliminate this 2 that we have here, what do you do? You have to use 2 to multiply the both sides of the equation. The numerator, both sides of the equation. And if we do that, we also have to use what we have here. open up this. Is that clear? Now, here we have 8x. Here we have the 2 will cancel 2. That's out. Plus then these 2 here. You have 12 plus 4x equals negative 10. If you follow to this point, thumbs up. If you follow to this point, thumbs up. Good. So we collect like terms at this point. If we collect the like terms, we'll be having 12x equals negative 12. Right? So this divided by 12. This divided by 12. 12 divided by 12 is x is equal to negative 1.
What about the negative 10?
Where is the negative 10? Right there. Ah, I didn't see the negative 10. What was I thinking? So from this you have 12x equals negative 12, negative 10. As you have 12x equal to negative 22. As you have this divided by 12, this divided by 12. 12 to cancel 12. As x is equal to 22 over 2 over 12. This will have 11. This will have 6. Hence you have negative 11 over 6. So now we have now gotten the value of our x. Remember, this is substitution method of solving differential equation. That way we didn't eliminate any number. We didn't manipulate to eliminate any number. So this is our value of x. To get our value of y, to get y, substitute. Everything you are doing here is substituting. Substitute the value of x in equation star, star, star. So unlike the previous one, which is elimination method, where we have to start substituting the value of these equations, the value of our variable to either equation 1 or 2. You don't need to do that in substitution method. So far you have made a variable the subject. That's your first step. So that should be your maybe your third equation. And whenever you guess your first variable, I want to get the other, you substitute the value of that variable in that your third equation. Just like what we have here. That means you'll be substituting the value of x here to give y equals 6 plus 2 into what? 11 over 6 all over 2. This cancel this, you have 3. Hence, we have y equals 6 plus 11 over 6 all over 2. So do this basic operation and let me know what the value of y is.
11 over 3, right? Because we canceled out.
So the value of y is 11 over 3.
No, the 11 over 6 term should be 11 over 3, because we canceled it with 2.
Wait. 2. 11 over 6.
And then up there, it should be
Here?
No, up in the next column.
Here?
11 over 3.
Oh, thank you. We cancelled out. It has to be 11 over 3. Thank you very much. Old age. Old age. So do this basic And let me know what the value of our y is. What's our value of y?
58 over 3.
58 over 3. Did any person get the same answer? Good. Thumbs up if you got the same thing. Good. Good numbers. 58 over 3. Then the second one, which is number 2. Let's write it out again. We have 16x. Call it out for me. Call the number 2. Call number 2. Number 2. Call the equation for me. Call the equation for me. Huh?
16x.
Minus 10y equals 10.
Second equation.
Negative 8x minus 6y equals 6.
Okay. So, from this, we can call this equation star. You can call this equation star star. Just have in mind that this is your first equation, this is your second equation. Now, what do? You make any variable the subject in any of the equations. So where do you want me to change? Which equation do you want me to make the subject? Equation 1 or 2? Equation 1?
No, second equation.
Okay, equation 2.
Yeah.
You want me to make a variable the subject in equation 2? So in equation 2, which variable exactly do you want me to make the subject?
How about y?
I think X.
What? Which one? Choose one.
Let's go with X.
I guess we can do x.
Okay, you want us to do x? Okay. So now, let's make x the subject in equation 2. In equation 2. Okay, let's make x the subject in equation 2. Hence, we have negative 6y equals 8x. Divide both sides by 8. Hence, you have that x is the same thing, is equal to negative 6y over 8 equals 7 equals x. So you can call this equation star star star. Is that correct?
Yeah. I think it's right. What do you think?
So what do? To get,
One by it and give up.
okay, since we made x the subject in the second equation, we'll be substituting the value of x in the first equation. Hence you have 16 minus 6, negative 6y over 8. Negative 10y equals 10. Is that correct? Good. Now, you use this 16 to distribute into this first term, second term. Then, this will multiply this. It's more like you are multiplying both sides with 8. If we do that, 8 will be here. 8 will cancel 8. And that same 8 that you are multiplying both sides will come here. 8 will multiply by this. 8 will also multiply here. Hence, you have this. 16 times negative 6.
96. Negative 96.
96.
Not bad.
No. Yeah.
96y equals, this will give you 80. 80y. 80. Good. So at this point, what do? You collect like terms. you collect like terms.
Wait. What about the division of 8?
Where is it?
Everything's multiplied by 8.
Oh, did he multiply by 8? No, my bad.
Yeah. I multiply all the numerator by 8, and I did that in both hand side of the equation.
Right.
So we collect like terms. We collect like terms. If we do that, what do we have? We have minus 96y minus 80y will give you what? Minus 176y. Thank you. Equals 80 plus 796. 176. Good. So we divide both sides with coefficient of y. Divide this with negative 176. Divide this with negative 176. This will cancel this. Hence our y is negative 1. So now to find our x, you substitute to get x. Substitute the value of x in equation what? Star, star, star. So from this equation star, 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 we have negative 6 over negative 1 over 8 equals 8 equals x. Then we simplify. If we simplify further, then x is what? Do this basic operation and let me know what the value of x is. What?
0.
X is 0.
It looks like it.
3 halves.
Another answer. 3 halves.
6 plus 6.
I like, what's that? What's that?
No, negative.
I just like the, what do you call it, that drawing. It's like,
Negative 36.
so what's our x? What's our value of x?
0. It's 0.
So our value of x is 0.
I got negative 9 halves.
Y is, hence our x, y is what? 0, negative 1. Great. What about the next equation? Which is number what? Number 3. Number 3.
Negative 7x minus 5y equals 17. Y is equal to negative 7. Y equals negative 7.
So this is very simple. We are substituting, we have been given the value of y. You only need to substitute the value in. You make any subject in first equation and now substitute the value of y. So here, solution. So if you make x the subject in the first equation, you have
Excuse me, sir.
negative 17, negative 5y equals 7y. Divide this by 7, divide this by 7. This. You now substitute the value of y. Hence you have minus negative 17, negative 5, negative 7. All over 7. All this is equal to x. So from here you can see that our x is what? Do these basic operations and let me know what our value of x is.
18 over 7.
18 over 7. 18 over 7. Can we still break this thing down to give us a perfect square? Can we? We cannot. So we are leaving our answer this way. Hence, our x and y is equal to, for x is 18 over 7. For y is what? Negative.
Minus 7.
It's minus 7.
That was just given.
Yeah. So you have a bonus. Whether it's given or not, you're having our full mark. You're having our full grade. Because you could have gotten it, even if it's not given. Right? Good. So the next one is what? Let's solve. When are we going on break? You let me know. Okay. So number what? Number 4. Number 4. Call the equation.
Negative 6x plus 5y equals 1. 6x plus 4y equals negative 10.
Good. So from this, you do the same thing. You make any variable the subject in any of the equation. So which equation do you want me to make a variable a subject?
The first one.
Equation 1, good. So which variable do you want me to make the subject?
Y.
Okay. So you want me to make which variable the subject?
Y.
Y. So I want to make y the subject. Hence you have 5y equals 1 positive 6x. This over 5. This over 5. Hence our y is equals 1 positive 6x over 5. So you can call this equation. This is equation 1. First equation. Let's call this equation I. Equation I. Equation I. Is that clear? So now that we have gotten, or we have met y the subject in the first equation, we now substitute the value of y in the second equation. Is that clear? If we do that, we have second equation is 6x plus 4 f this all is y. 6x over 5 equals negative 10. Right? So, to eliminate the 5 that we have here, you have to multiply the numerator with 5 in both sides of the equation, right? If we do that, we'll have something linear. And also remember to open up this. Hence, you'll be having here, you have 30x plus 4 plus 24x equals negative 50. Now you collect like terms.
when you collect like terms, you have 30x plus 24x will give you 54x. You have 54x equals negative
54.
50 negative 4 will give you negative 54. Hence our x will be what? Negative 1. Right? Our x will be what? Negative 1. To substitute the value of our x, if you want to get to y, we substitute the value of our x in equation I. Hence our y is what? 1 plus 6 negative 1 over 5. So 6 multiplied by negative 1 will give you what? Negative 6. Negative 6 positive 1. Negative 5. Divided by 5. We have what?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. We have negative 1. So y is equal to negative 1. Good. So, okay, this is number 4. Let's solve number 5. Number 5. So, number 5 is what? Here we have 5
Y equals
y, yes?
1/2 x minus 1.
Good.
Y equals 1/4 x minus 4.
Good. So, we'll make one variable the subject. Since the y already made itself the subject in both the equation 1 and 2, is it not better that we pick up one of them and substitute in the other equation? So which one are we picking?
The first one.
We are picking the first one. This is equation star. This is equation star star. So we are substituting this in this equation. Hence you have hence you have this equals 1 over 4x negative 4. Right? Hence you can collect like terms to give 1 over 2x negative 1 over 4x. Is that clear? This is equal to 1 negative 4. Is that clear? So from here, you find the LCM, right? Now do this basic operation using the knowledge of what we have done before. Let me know what I'll be having in the left hand side of the equation. Here we have 3.
1/4 x.
Huh?
1/4 x.
1/4 x. Any other person?
Yeah.
Same thing. 1/4 x. 1/4. Oh, that's true. 1 over 4. So we multiply both sides with 4. You multiply this place with 4. Multiply this place with 4. 4 will cancel 4. Hence, x is equal to 3 times 4 will give you 12. Then to get our y, we simply need to plug in our y, or value of x, in what we made the subject, this. Hence you have y equals 1 over 2, 12, negative 1. This can cancel out to give 6. Hence you have y equal to 6, negative 1. Hence y is equal to what? Equal to 5. Hence, the value of our x and y is equals 12 and 5. Good. So the next one, number 6. Number 6 is negative x. Call it for me, please.
Plus 4y equals negative 4. 5x minus 8y equals 20.
Okay. So from this also, we can make any variable the subject. But to make our job simpler, you can look at this one. You can see that x doesn't have a fraction here. So let's make a the subject. To make our job simpler. Here, if you make a the subject, simply we'll be having a subject that doesn't involve a fraction. Hence, you have negative 4, negative, you have 4, negative y, 4y equals x. So we have this from equation 1. Equation I, this is equation I. So what do we do next? What do we do next? We substitute the value of okay, let me know.
We substitute equation.
So substitute the value of this where?
Into where it says x in equation 2.
In equation 2. That means you will substitute this in place of x in equation 2. Hence you have 5 into 4 negative 4y negative xy equals 20. Hence here we have 20 minus 20y minus 8y minus 20. Then you have minus 28y equals 0, right? Our y is 0. So to get our x, we substitute the value of y in equation 3. If we do that, we have that our x is equal to 4 negative 4 0. Hence you have that our x is what? 4. Hence the value of our x comma y is what? before 0?
Yes.
Yes.
Good. Then the next one is what? Number what?
6.
7.
Wait.
Number 7. Good. Number 7.
Y equals X plus 1.
X plus 1.
2Y equals 3X.
2y equals 3x.
Yeah.
So this is all.
This is gonna be tough.
Can see that they already made y the subject for us in equation 1. Right? So y is already the subject in equation 1. So this is equation I. Let's say maybe star. Let's use star this time. Star, star. Solution. Hence, you substitute the value of star in this next equation. Hence, you have 3x equals 3. Wait.
On the left, it's X.
Yeah. So you have 2 times what? You are substituting this value, x plus 1. Right? You have 3x. You have 2x plus 2 equals 3x. We have 2 equals 3x negative 2x. As you have 2 equals x. So to get our y, now substitute the value of x inside here. You have y equals what? 2 plus 1. Y, okay, equal to what? Equal to 3. Hence, our x and y is equal to what? Our x is 2. While our y is 3. So how many do you have remaining? Okay, you have number 8 and 9. Let's go on 8 minutes break. Let's come back by 1:57. Let's come back by 1:57, please. Thank you.
Very entertaining yourself. Thank you for sitting next to me. Oh, nice. Hopefully you struggle a bit more next time.
Either sit down or lie down.
Okay, let me lie down. I feel if you bring your pillow tomorrow, I may feel like lying down. Yeah, bring my pillow and go. Like that to all of this.
How many minutes?
No, tell him. My pillow and my pillow. You go house before 8 a.m. Okay, now you see the just carry on. Anthony, later I tell us when they come back.
Yeah. We started at 17:53. We said 8 minutes break, so 17:51 should be fine.
Something what?
51 on my clock. So we have 3 minutes. Or 2 minutes really.
Okay, 2 minutes more. Yeah.
Shoes and almost there, 18.
This live cuts.
I suppose put down, but no problem. I go restart time. I go restart time.
Hey,